Namaskar, I am Akhil Srivastav and I welcome you all in the daily weather briefing of India Meteorological Department. Here we will see how was the weather during past 24 hours and what we are expecting weather to be during next 5 days. If we see today's situation, this is the synoptic system which dated 4th January. We can see there is a western disturbance around 55° east longitude, and this has already started to have some impact over the northwest part of the country. Apart from that, we have a cyclonic circulation over East Bangladesh and adjoining regions. Other than that, we also have a induced cyclonic circulation over southwest Rajasthan and adjoining Pakistan. Apart from that, there were no major features which were affecting the Indian mainland as of today. If we see how was the weather during past 24 hours, then most of the weather was confined to the north and northwest part of the country. The rainfall thunder shower, which was observed today at 8:30 hours for during past 24 hours, we can see that the rainfall was observed at most places over Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, Gilgit-Baltistan, Muzaffarabad. Rainfall was observed at isolated places over Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, West Rajasthan, Assam, Meghalaya, Tamil Nadu, Puducherry and Karaikal, and Kerala and Mahe. Significant amount of rainfall, that is more than 1 centimeter was recorded in Gulmarg and Kargil, that is 2 centimeter each, over Pahalgam, Gund, Avantipur, Banihal, Batote and Srinagar 1 centimeter each. There were also dense to very dense fog which was reported in isolated pockets over East Uttar Pradesh and dense fog in isolated pockets over Bihar, Assam, Tripura and West Bengal. Moderate fog in isolated pockets was also reported over Manipur, Delhi and East Rajasthan. Accordingly, if we talk about visibility, then minimum visibility was in Bahraich, Uttar Pradesh, that is 25 meters. Apart from that, Bagdogra, Dhubri, Shantiniketan, Agartala, Gorakhpur, and Patna, they all reported 550-meter visibility. In Delhi, in Ridge, visibility was 200 meters. Apart from Delhi, we also saw in Lucknow, Kanpur, Fursadganj, Varanasi, Cooch Bihar, Malda, Imphal, Kailash and Kota, they all reported 200-meter visibility today at 8:30 hours IST. If we talk about the weather during the next few days, we can see that we are expecting a wet spell over northwest and central India till 9th of January due to two consecutive western disturbances. One western disturbances which we are already seeing it's situated at 55° east in lower and middle tropospheric levels, and under influence induced cyclone circulation has also formed over southwest Rajasthan and adjoining Pakistan at lower tropospheric levels. Apart from that, we are also we are seeing the moisture feedings coming from Arabian Sea over northwest India, and it is likely to continue during next 2 days. After this, also we are again expecting once this WD moves eastwards, we are expecting another WD, an inter WD, to affect northwest India from the night of 6th of January 2022. We are also expecting that under its influence, again, a induced cyclone circulation will form over southwest Rajasthan and neighborhood. And again, the high moisture feeding is expected from Arabian Sea over northwest India during 7th to 9th of January. If we see under its influence, how will be the weather during next 5 days, we can see that the fairly widespread to widespread light moderate rain snowfall is very likely over western Himalayan region on 4th and 5th, and there will be slight reduction on 6th. However, again, we are expecting that fairly widespread to widespread rainfall will again start over western Himalayan region during 7 to 9 January, and then there will be decrease thereafter. Apart from this general forecast, we are also expecting that isolated heavy rainfall or snowfall is also likely over Jammu Kashmir, Ladakh, Gilgit-Baltistan, Muzaffarabad on 4th and 5th, and during 7th to 9th of January. Over Himachal Pradesh on 5th, 8th, and 9th, and over Uttarakhand on 5th of January. If we move from Western Himalayan region to the plains and the central India, we are expecting that the scattered to fairly widespread light moderate rainfall is also very likely over Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, and Delhi, North Rajasthan, western parts of Uttar Pradesh during 4th to 6th, and also isolated to scattered over South Rajasthan, Gujarat, West Madhya Pradesh, and East Uttar Pradesh on 5th and 6th January. After that, due to another western disturbance, we are again expecting scattered to fairly widespread light moderate rain, thunder showers over plains of northwest and adjoining central India during 7th to 9th of January. And we are also expecting some isolated heavy rainfall activity over Punjab on 5th, 7th, and 8th, and over Haryana on 8th of January. If we talk about thunderstorm, then we are expecting isolated thunderstorm accompanied with hailstorms very likely over Punjab on 5th and 7th, over Haryana and Chandigarh on 5th, over East Uttar Pradesh and West Madhya Pradesh on 6th and 7th, over East Madhya Pradesh on 7th and 8th, and over Rajasthan on 7th of January. If you talk about fog, then dense fog in isolated pockets in night and morning hours is very likely over East Uttar Pradesh during next 24 hours, and over Bihar, West Bengal, and Sikkim, Odisha during next 3 days. The dense fog is also likely over West Assam and Meghalaya and Tripura during next 2 days. These were the main weather features and forecasts which we're expecting due to the two western disturbances which are going to affect the Indian region till 9th of January. If we talk the same warnings with the help of the images, you can see that today we are expecting some heavy rainfall activity and over Jammu Kashmir region. However, this is again likely to continue and spread towards Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, and Uttarakhand on 5th. There's slight reduction on 6th, and again we are expecting the rainfall activity to pick up on the Western Himalayan region. So these were the main weather warning for the next 5 days. This is for now, and tomorrow we will again come up with the same kind of information regarding weather warnings and forecasts for the next 5 days. Till then, have a wonderful time. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.